The clinical bottom line is the punchline of your CAP. This is where you describe how the results of the study should impact clinical practice. Here are the terms you identified as unfamiliar or confusing. Frequency and duration refers to the length of time an intervention requires. Was it a single 1-hour session a week for 6 weeks, or 3 2-hour sessions for 6 months? Limitations of the study refers to both the limitations identified by the author and the potential biases you identified in your critical appraisal. Threats to internal validity affect the strength of the conclusions, and threats to external validity affect our ability to generalize or apply the results beyond the people who were in the study. Start with a brief but clear description of the intervention that was studied, including how often and for how long the intervention was applied. Make it clear what's involved in actually implementing this intervention in a clinic. Do you need expensive equipment, or facilities like a pool or a stable for horses? Clearly describe the clinical population the intervention is aimed at and the problem the intervention is intended to solve. Once you set the stage, summarize what you found. What were the results? What were the strengths of the study and what were its limitations? Then discuss who the results of the study apply to. External validity isn't all or nothing. Think about how they recruited subjects and how strict the inclusion-exclusion criteria were. If they found an effect for the people in the study, how far can you stretch those results? Finally, discuss clinical significance. Discuss the trade-offs between the benefits of the intervention and its cost, in terms of things like clinician time, client time, resources, and side effects. Is this treatment for everyone, for only well-resourced clinicians with desperate clients, or somewhere in between?